Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to disable moisture detected on a Samsung phone. Let's get started. If you're getting the moisture detected in charging port message, even when your phone is completely dry, don't worry. There's a simple trick that might help. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification tray. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Once you're in settings, tap the search icon at the top. Type in fast or fast charging. Tap the result to open your charging settings. If fast charging is turned on, go ahead and toggle it off. This can sometimes stop the moisture warning from appearing and allow your phone to charge normally. Now go back to your home screen. Next, take a close look at your charging port. Make sure there's no moisture, dust, or lint inside. Even a tiny bit of water or debris can trigger the sensor. If needed, gently dry it with a soft cloth or let your phone sit and air out for a few minutes. And that's it. Is this helped? Don't forget to subscribe for more mobile phone tips and tricks.